Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terra's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make French toast for breakfast in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end. For this recipe I've used 1 egg, then I'm going to add a half a cup of milk, then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. You can also add cinnamon powder to make your French toast so flavorful. After that you're going to give it a mix so that the egg and the milk should be well combined. This is the best breakfast recipe anyone can try. So you're going to mix that well and keep it aside. In a pan, you're going to heat some 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You'll then take a slice of bread and put it in the egg mixture. You're going to make sure that the bread is well soaked with the milk. So kindly do as shown in the video. After that, you're going to remove it and place it in the pan ready to be fried. So you're going to fry each side for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to flip it so that it can cook well. You'll then flip it so that the other side can also cook. So you're going to cook the other side for 2 minutes. Then you're going to remove it from the pan and set it aside. Just like that, you'll have your French toast ready for the breakfast. As you can see, this recipe is very simple and quick to make. It doesn't take time to fix your breakfast. So you're going to repeat the process to the rest of the bread until you're done. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.